Francois, as you mentioned, the history of computing is one of migration from central processing down to local processing. And while the cloud consumes that 90% you mentioned of the compute today, it's inevitable that, as in the past, it will migrate locally to what we call the edge. In the 1960s, we had mainframe computers, and over time, we introduced mini computers, personal computers, laptops, and finally cell phones. So the cell phone you have today has approximately equal or greater processing power than the central computers of 20 years ago. Now, there's some other reasons why this needs to happen. One is just performance. You can't guarantee connectivity to the cloud for an automobile, for example, if you want to give it the intelligence to have autonomous drive or advanced safety features. And 5G communications, which are touted to be a possible factory floor automation, can't operate in real time if you have to go back to the cloud to do the computing. So the performance and then the cost. It's expensive to go back to a central computer, the communication and the processing. So the more you can do locally, the better. And lastly, it will happen because we can make it happen. Chips become more intelligent over time. Today, there are chips being introduced that are 1,000 times higher performance than the processors used in the cloud, largely from NVIDIA. And so more and more of that processing will go local to the point of data generation, and that will make the edge complement the cloud.